Shiksha, the art of pronunciation. The Vedangas, often referred to as the limbs of the Veda Purusha, play a pivotal role in understanding and preserving the sacred knowledge contained within the Vedas. Among these Vedangas, Shiksha stands as the first and foundational discipline. Shiksha, often translated as phonetics or pronunciation, is associated with the 2 feet of the Veda Purusha. Its primary focus lies in ensuring the correct pronunciation, accentuation, and enunciation of the Vedic texts. This article delves into the significance of Shiksha, exploring its role in preserving the purity of Vedic sounds and its crucial place in the study of Vedas. The importance of Shiksha. Shiksha Sutras, treatises on phonetics, serve as the primary tools for guiding the proper recitation of Vedic mantras. These texts are instrumental in preserving the pristine and authentic pronunciation of the Vedas, as even the slightest alteration in pronunciation can lead to changes in the meaning and effectiveness of the mantras. The importance of Shiksha is particularly emphasized in the context of the Vedic language, where precision in pronunciation is paramount. The role of Shiksha Sutras. Shiksha Sutras are not mere guides to pronunciation but comprehensive texts that lay down the rules of phonetics in the context of Vedic recitation. They address various aspects of sound, including syllables, accents, and pronunciation. These sutras are invaluable for Vedic scholars and priests who perform rituals and recitations, as they ensure that the mantras are articulated correctly, thereby preserving the integrity of the Vedic texts. Notable Pratishakyas related to Shiksha. Pratishakyas are texts closely related to Shiksha and provide additional insights into the discipline. Some notable Pratishakyas include 1. Rig Veda Pratishakya. This text is associated with the Rig Veda and provides detailed instructions on the correct pronunciation and recitation of the Rigvedic mantras. It serves as a foundational text for understanding the phonetics of the Rig Veda. 2. Taittiriya Pratishakya of Krishna Yajurveda. The Taittiriya Pratishakya is linked to the Krishna Yajurveda and offers insights into the phonetics of this Vedic branch. It plays a crucial role in preserving the precise pronunciation of Krishna Yajurveda mantras. 3. Vajasneyi Pratishakya of Shukal Yajurveda. For the Shukal Yajurveda tradition, the Vajasneyi Pratishakya is of utmost importance. It guides scholars and practitioners in correctly articulating the mantras of the Shukal Yajurveda. 4. Atharva Veda Pratishakya of Atharva Veda. The Atharva Veda Pratishakya focuses on the phonetics and pronunciation of the Atharva Veda mantras. It provides essential guidelines for maintaining the purity of Atharvavedic recitations. The significance of precision in Vedic pronunciation. In the Vedic tradition, each sound, syllable, and intonation carries profound significance. The correct pronunciation of mantras is believed to invoke specific energies and facilitate a deeper connection with the divine. The slightest deviation from the prescribed phonetic rules can alter the intended meaning and impact of a mantra, potentially affecting the success of a ritual or the understanding of sacred texts. Shiksha as a bridge to the Vedic past. Shiksha serves as a bridge connecting contemporary Vedic scholars and practitioners to the ancient past. It ensures that the oral transmission of Vedic knowledge remains true to its origins, even in an era marked by the written word. The discipline of Shiksha is a testament to the meticulous care taken by Vedic scholars to safeguard the integrity of the Vedas over thousands of years. Conclusion. Shiksha, the art of pronunciation and phonetics, is an essential part of the Vedangas and plays a foundational role in the study and preservation of the Vedas. Its significance lies in its ability to ensure the accurate recitation of Vedic mantras, preserving the purity and authenticity of this ancient sacred knowledge. As one of the 2 feet of the Veda Purusha, Shiksha stands as a testament to the precision, care, and reverence with which the Vedas have been transmitted through generations, making it an integral part of the living tradition of Vedic knowledge.